I am Douglas Darnell, an Assistant Vice President in Business Development at ProAssurance. We have all heard the term AI, or artificial intelligence. What exactly does artificial intelligence mean, or what does it do? Fundamentally, it refers to computers simulating human intelligence. It is the technology that produced self-driving cars and ChatGPT, which is a model that processes human language and generates a text response. I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about generative AI in healthcare. Basically, a generative AI model takes data and learns to generate statistically probable outputs when prompted. Generative AI has many potentially constructive applications in the healthcare space. Some things generative AI can do include provide clinical decision support, interpret radiology images and produce reports, generate structured medical record entries from dictation or patient encounter recordings, create authorization requests, and schedule appointments, send patient reminders, and verify insurance. Like adopting any other new technology in your practice, the benefits and risks of using generative AI in different contexts should be carefully analyzed before putting it to use. It might be tempting to accept AI-generated decision support responses without further analysis. But how the tool arrived at its conclusions, or whether the data it relied on is appropriate, will likely be unclear. So, it is important to think of generative AI as a means for enhancing decision-making, not replacing healthcare professionals as the ultimate decision maker. Understanding spoken language, like what is required for listening in on a patient encounter, requires training on audio data. Understanding images, such as radiology images, requires training on image data. Risks enter the process on a very fundamental level when the data sources are not sophisticated or accurate enough for a user's prompt. Additionally, the data on which the tool was trained may not be representative of your patient pool, which could result in biased responses to user prompts. Ensure that the data used to train the model is diverse and representative of the population it will serve. Until the models can be fine-tuned with appropriate healthcare data to the point of being safe and accurate, applications should be approached with caution. The key to risk reduction with generative AI is catching inaccurate responses to user prompts before they can cause patient injuries. Certainly, as generative AI-based tools are rolled out, healthcare professionals should be testing them for accuracy in their practice settings before putting them to use.